we're covering the Air Force Officer Qualifying Test, or AFOQT, specifically for candidates pursuing a non-rated officer track. If your goal is a career in fields like logistics, intelligence, finance, or personnel, the most critical piece of exam strategy is understanding that only two composite scores matter for your qualification: verbal and quantitative. To be eligible, you must achieve a minimum score of 15 on the verbal composite and 10 on the quantitative composite. This is a non-negotiable gateway to a non-rated commission. The Air Force uses these specific scores to predict success in technical training for non-flying roles. The biggest exam trap is allocating study time equally across all 12 AFOQT subtests. Candidates waste countless hours on sections like aviation information, instrument comprehension, table reading, and block counting, which have zero impact on their non-rated eligibility. Your entire preparation must be a targeted effort, a concept we call test prep triage. Let's break down the quantitative score. It's derived from two subtests: arithmetic reasoning and math knowledge. An arithmetic reasoning question will present a word problem, for example, requiring you to calculate fuel consumption on a mission, testing your ability to apply mathematical principles in a practical scenario. Math knowledge questions are more direct, testing your grasp of algebra and geometry. The verbal composite score is calculated from the word knowledge, verbal analogies, and reading comprehension subtests. A typical verbal analogies question might be something like barracks is to soldier as dormitory is to, with the correct answer being student. These questions assess your vocabulary and your ability to discern logical relationships between concepts, a vital skill for an officer interpreting complex regulations or drafting reports. To keep your focus sharp, use this mental shortcut. For non-rated, it's VQ for me, forget the other three. The VQ stands for verbal and quantitative, while the other three refers to the pilot, combat systems officer, and air battle manager composites that you should ignore. This means when you get your study materials, you should strategically skip the sections irrelevant to your score. This focused approach is the key to working smarter, not harder. By concentrating your energy on the 5 subtests that build your verbal and quantitative scores, you optimize your chances of meeting the required minimums and moving one step closer to earning your commission. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.